Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be vlogging my day. I'm gonna be hanging out with Salma and Audree. I've been in the mood of vlog, so I just thought it'd be a good day. Today's Sunday. We're supposed to have like a fun-filled day. We're supposed to go to the beach actually, but it's really gloomy outside and it's gonna rain later tonight. So I'm sure it's not gonna be a really good day for the beach, but we'll see. But right now I'm gonna go to Salma's house because they are there already, and I don't really know what we're gonna do next. Find out. I'm really sad. I really want to go to the beach today, like have like a beach day, but it is really gloomy outside. I don't know if you can even see that. I'll update you guys on what we do, and hopefully we find stuff to do. I'm with Salma and Audree now. I can't breathe, sorry. We came to the wax museum instead of the Museum of Illusions because it was so packed. It was like a roller coaster.
Are creepy. I don't know why I wanted to come so bad. I literally scared me so bad.
They look so real. Oh my god, I feel like we're in like some horror movie. This is scary. Time. Okay, let's walk faster. Let's go, let's go. I'm dead. I don't like these. Oh, okay. We got out of there. Why do they look like they're looking at you?
Tell me that looks in what world? Oh my god, it's not either. I love heights.
Tiffany and Co.
Can I take this off and take a picture?
Is that Bruno Mars?
Yes. He doesn't really look like him. I'm not impressed.
Is he really that short?
I think it's their exact height, too.
I'm literally taller.
Big.
I feel like he's gonna throw that at me. It's Frank Sinatra.
Hi, Audree.
Why are you laughing?
Oh my gosh. Tell me don't look at
You're so dumb.
No, tell me you don't know what to look.
Look at the pug. That was it. We're done. This is where we had went.
I don't know what you're saying.
It got hot.
It did get hot.
This is where we're going next. It's right across the street. This is where we're going.
I did better on the other one. Let's try to do it again. Your arms are gonna curve.
Wait, let me get a picture. I don't even know. We were so tiny.
Are you joking? Do you mind? This is crazy.
For this arrow.
Look at her fingerprints, like compared, like her tiny little shoe compared to that.
This is the foot comparison.
19 years old.
Wait, how tall was he though? I want to know. Oh, 8 feet. He was up there. I'm like right. Okay, it's loud though. Okay, but what about when he jumps? Most disliked online videos. I'm dead because I knew that already. I think that's an exit.
Where are we supposed to exit?
I don't know. Oh my god, Salma.
Direct channel, direct TV channel 320, Scientology.tv.
Oh my god. Going to Starbucks. If you get a sandwich. If you all get a sandwich.
I'm getting a sandwich.
Then I'm gonna get a sandwich. I like this one. This is so cute. I've never been so embarrassed in my life. On her TikTok. Ew. What'd you think of our dance scene?
I'm embarrassed. Just kidding. Nobody was doing it like me. I was like,
This is what I got. Vanilla sweet cream cold brew. And my bacon and Gouda.
what did you do? I picked it up and I didn't have the thing
I'm kind of disappointed with my coffee. I found this cute little bag that I really, really want. Oh. Why is it going so... Look at the matching keychains we just got.
Outside, we're gonna go find wine at Venice.
We're gonna go look for the little lime scooters now. I know. I'm like sweating. My makeup has came off. I bought some stuff. We all bought stuff from the Hello Kitty store.
So, first of all, they put a little sticker to close my bag, and it has this little like, just a cute little decoration folder with like all the characters on it on both sides. This has like the ranking of like whatever. It came with this little postcard. I got these two little pins. And then all three of us, they're just in my bag.
They're so cute.
But we got our matching keychains. This is Alex's.
Hi,
This is Audrey's, and then this is mine. They're literally all the same. This is yours.
There we
As
go.
soon as I put my face away.
That's that. And then my favorite thing that I got. Ready?
So cute.
I got this shirt. A little donut Hello Kitty. And it has stuff down the sleeves as well. So cute.
It's different, look.
Oh, and those stuff we did. So I like yours better.
Pins too. I don't know where the other one's at. I know he got 3 though. They're somewhere. I think we got the same one.
I like the bags. That's the bags. Yeah. Really cute.
I know. I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah, those things that we got, we didn't buy. Sorry, we didn't buy them. It came with like our purchase because like we spent like a certain amount of money.
Then I got a little pop. It's not gonna focus with you guys. This is a Hello Kitty sweet treat one. This little tote bag. I was so excited. We were on this freeway.
We were right there.
And there was an accident, so we went around it.
Literally completely empty, so.
The whole freeway is literally closed. I'm glad we moved.
All these people too, like they're smart. Cause
take a slight left turn to Murray.
when we went over the thing, I went like, and I ripped it off. And do I have?
Came to CVS for her eyelash.
What is this? I'm pretty sure that's the go and the stop. Because you have to like.
Oh. Wait, how did you do it? Look, how do you do it?
I can't do that.
These things take off. Go.
Hey, boy.
Low-key, even though we're like driving like electrically, I'm really tired from it. Okay, we're on the street and I'm so scared. Oh, this is too bumpy. I feel like I'm gonna go into a car. Oh wait, you wanna go right? Oh no, there's no green, huh? Go, go, go. Salma, go.
What happened? I knew you were doing that because.
I got stuck at the yellow.
Do you want to keep going? Because I know this goes on for a long time. But if you guys want to just do circles. But I don't like being in the front because I don't know where I'm going.
No, you do know where you're going.
Oh, we came to ramen. We believe that we can go inside to eat. So we're gonna check.
I feel like Shanae should not be left in it. Oh,
my hair is so crazy from the birds.
Oh, I was like, what birds? Oh, this isn't yours.
And I'm oily.
That was so fun.
I know. I want to do it all the time.